Hi students, so we are discussing the sense organs. In last class, we discussed that is the most important organ in our body, that is eye. I told you the structure of the eye and the functions of the eye. So we saw the last class. So there are three parts: sclera, choroid layer, and retina. So we already discussed in today's class. So we can see the some topics remains in the eye. We will see the eye protection is the most important. There are so many informations they have given about eye because eye is very sensitive part in our body. That's why it is very important to protect our eye. So eye and illusions is there. So like we will confuse some illusions. So the eye and illusions. Diseases and defects of the eye. What diseases will take place in the eye? What are the defects of the eye? How can we take care of our eye? These are the four subheadings we can discuss about this eye. First one is eye protection. In last class we discussed what is that retina contains cells called rod-side cones. These are very important. Rhodopsin and iodopsin. The best vision is called, so the best vision is called yellow spot, I already told you. So we can see the yellow spots are no visions in the eye. We can see today some like activity. What is the yellow spots and what is the blind spot. So the best vision is called as yellow spot. Yellow spot. They have another name also. They also called as macula. Also called fovea. Best vision. Yellow spot also called macula or fovea. So no vision is called blind spot. Is there any blind spot or not in our eye? We can see next activity. There are two very important points. Retina and rods. 125 millions and 7 millions. Is it necessary to protect our eyes? Yes, because it is very sensitive. Our eye is very sensitive. We have to protect our eyes. For example, if any dust will fall in the eye, first thing what we will do, we will rub in the eye. The first thing, if anything falls in the eye, we will rub it. It is a very dangerous for the eye. What happens? There are lenses is there in the eyes. Pupils, lenses, eyes, they will be damaged when you are rubbing the eye, with our hands. You are not supposed to do this. You are not supposed to rubbing the unless it's very dangerous. You are not supposed to do that because lenses is there, they will be damaged. If any small sand will fall on the eye, what happens? This sand will be not dissolved in the water. If soil or any dust particles fall in the eye, it will dissolve. But if sands or small stones will fall in the eye, if you are rubbing, what happens? It will scratch. So for example, mobile screen, what happens after using so many days, months, years, there are so many scratches will be seen. If the dust or the small stones or sands are falling on the eye, if you are rubbing, what happens? We can see after in futures, we cannot see properly. There are so many disadvantages is there to rubbing the eyes. What we have to do? When something fall in the eyes, we have to take a cool water in the hands. We have to clean the eyes in the water properly. Cleaning the eyes. So Unnecessarily do not pour any chemicals in the eye unless it's prescribed by the doctors, because very sensitive parts is there in the eye. Once the eye damaged, you cannot regain it. Watching TV by nearly, so it is very dangerous. So at least there is a 6 feet, a very distance should be there from TV to the mat when watching the TVs. So watching mobiles in the night, if there is no light, this light directly enter into the eyes. There is a damage in future. You will get sights. There are so many problems or diseases is there. So taking precautions. So if you are getting headache, you have to consult the doctor because it's related to the eye. So the 1/6 part will present in the head only. All the eye parts will present in the head only, because all the nerve systems, optic nerves are connected to the brain. So this is about, we have to protect our eyes. So protecting is very, very important. Next one is eye and illusions. What is our illusions? We will think, so this is the correct, but sometimes our eye will be like illudes. So we manam anukuntam kani this is the right, but it's imagination, it's illusions. For examples, so I will draw one bag. Look at these two pictures. Look at these two pictures. The A pictures, there is a one big size round circle is there, and B also there is a big round circle is there. Which one is a big size, A1 or B? The middle circles. మధ్యలో ఉన్న A లో circle లో ఉన్న this dot పెద్దదా or B లో ఉన్న dot పెద్దదా? So when we look at these two pictures, which one will look big size? This A1 will look big size. But it's illusions. We will think. So our eye will deceive us, because there is a small circle is there around the A dots. There is a big circle is there behind the B dots. So when this size is bigger than this dots, but when you look at, when we compare this both circle, this one will look, because the small dots is there around the A dots, but exactly these two are same in size. Same in size. One more, I will draw the diagram. For example, see this. Which diagram is a large size, lengthy, A or B? Which one is having a length or more big size, A or B? So actually we say B is the longer when we compare the, because actually this A look like a smaller than the B. But that is not correct. Our illusion is not correct. Both are same in size. Actually, these arrows are in A, so they will showing opposite directions. So these arrows are going away from the direction. Look at this. Actually, these arrows they draw in reverse direction here. So these both are having the same size. It's illusions. So in your textbook also they have given this. Look at page number 82. Page number 82. Figure 5, a small a. Figure 5, a small a. Look at these pictures. What do you notice? Let us observe the following figures. Are these lines straight or not? Figure 5 small a. Are these lines straight or not? How they are looking when you look at this picture? They are looking like a zigzag. They are looking like a zigzag. But actually, the lines are very straight. The lines are very straight. How they draw this diagram. Don't have time to draw this. So actually all are there in same size, but what happens, the yellow dots in the square form, they are not same. They are looking like a zigzag. Actually when you observe putting on the scale properly, so you can see the straight line in this pictures. Every line is straight. It's illusions. It's looking like a zigzag, but it's not a zigzag. Okay. So next one, figure 5. We draw the diagrams. Which one is bigger? So it's looking bigger, but it's not. They are both same. Figure 5C. Figure 5C. So look at this picture. 5C. How it's looking? There is a small, a white color dot is there in the center of the diagram, but that white color dot is not going to appear properly because in the side of the diagram the ash color or black color structures is there. So that color is dominating the white color. It's completely looking like ash color, but there are 3 different types of colors is there. Look at one more pictures. Page number 81. So activity 4. There is, how can we see the yellow spot or no vision? So one eye you can close it. One eye you can close it. Bring it properly near. Bring it properly near to the eye. So this plus we cannot see when you bring this textbook to the close, because when it's bring to the close we cannot see this also, because there is a no vision. There is a no vision parts we cannot see when we bring to close this. There are so many like illusions is there. Next one. The last one is disease. The last one is diseases. There are so many eye diseases there. Like xerophthalmia. Night blindness. Myopia. Hypermetropia. Nearsighted, far-sightedness. Cataract. There are so many eye diseases there. Xerophthalmia, night blindness, myopia, So myopia is nothing but it's a nearsightedness. Some students they have nearsightedness. So what is far-sighted and nearsighted? Far-sightedness they cannot see the things away from the far away from the eyes. So that things that material has to be bring near. That's why we are wearing the spectacles. So in the spectacles, the image will show very big. So if nearsightedness, this chalk piece will fall in the back side of the eye. That's why we have to take away from the eye. So that's why we are wearing spectacles. So it will show the size, small size. So there are so many differences you can see in physics also. These are the diseases of xerophthalmia. So night blindness, myopia, hypermetropia, cataract. There are so many diseases there. So today homework. So you have to write the diseases of the eye, diseases and defects of the eye. And one more homework. Page number 83. Taking care of eye. Taking care of eye. Very, very important. Taking care of eye. I will read some questions. Is there? Are you following or not? Just put it yes or no. You have to write it and put a tick mark. This is the homework. So diseases and defects and taking care of eye. Today homeworks. I am reading. Wash your eyes with fresh water at least thrice or 4 times per day. Nobody will follow. Okay? Washing our eyes thrice or 4 times per day, because plenty of bacteria, plenty of dust particles will remain in our eye. When we are washing, it will clean it. Are you doing or not? Keep the distance between the book and eyes about 25 centimeter while reading. Exactly how much? How many? Some students they will read like this. No, it will affect an eye. 25 centimeter distance should be there. Don't give continuous stress and strain to the eye. Stop the work for some time when your eyes feel stressed. Some students they will read when they are getting sleep also. So not all students, only some students. Don't give stress to your eye. Some students they will watch TV continuously. It will affect on the eye. Eat food materials like green leaf vegetables, balanced diet food materials. Carrots, etc. rich in vitamin A. Green leaf vegetables and carrots. Work under good lighting. If you have not a good lighting, so you have to read or work under the good light conditions. Don't rub your eyes. If anything falls in them, just wash the eyes immediately. Remove dust in your eye by using tongues. Or rings. Some rings is there. Blowing eye into the other persons. Consult the eye specialist immediately whenever your face and vision related problem. Avoid to see lightning gases or gas weldings, sparks, eclipse. While they are doing weldings also, they will use some mirrors. Have you observed or not? So you are not supposed to watch this directly. It will affect on the eye. Today homework. So you have to tick it. Before not following, start doing following. So today onwards. This is the today homework. Okay. Thank you so much.